Could a health revolution really start with just $1.25? Let's dive into the Dollar Tree diet.
We've all heard it, right? This idea that eating healthy is just too expensive.
Well, this book is here to call total BS on that whole myth. Here's the secret. Your body doesn't care about a fancy price tag. Protein is just protein.
$1.25. That's the magic number that makes this work for absolutely everyone. And the proving ground isn't some high-end market. It's your local Dollar Tree.
So, what can you actually get? Let's build our pantry and see what we're working with.
First up, proteins. We're talking canned tuna, chicken, and beans. These are the powerful building blocks.
For energy that lasts, you've got oatmeal, brown rice, and whole grain pasta right there.
And yep, you can get your vitamins. Frozen and canned fruits and veggies are the brilliant solution.
Worried you'll get bored? Get this. You can make over 300 different meal combinations.
And a typical day looks like this. Simple, satisfying, and honestly, pretty darn good.
Okay, it sounds great in theory, but the real question is, does this stuff actually work?
Check this out. Someone cut their grocery bill to $30 and lost 18 pounds.
For a college student and met having enough energy and, get this, money left over for textbooks.
How about these health numbers? 31 pounds lost, blood pressure normalized, cholesterol down 60 points.
For some, it meant no longer having to choose between medication and food. That's life-changing.
This book proves that good health isn't a luxury, it's for anyone and everyone.
So your health revolution can literally start today.